Here's a structured signal from Dasana, powered by freshnews.ai. Autonomous GTM agents are making personalized outreach automation a core lever for improving pipeline and conversion rates across teams. Executive summary. Autonomous sales and GTM agents are being pointed at stale lead queues to run off and on AI-personalized outreach engagement without adding headcount or new point tools. Instead of reps batch blasting or ignoring old records, agents now mine CRM notes, website behavior, and prior touches to trigger relevant sequences and structured follow-ups. The impact shows up in pipeline coverage, meetings booked from dead records, and tighter forecast variance as more leads receive consistent touches. The immediate decision is whether to keep treating old leads as write-offs or to stand up an autonomous lane that systematically works this backlog with clear rules, metrics, and guardrails. Today's signal. Sales and RevOps teams are reviewing Q1 pipeline reports and finding thousands of untouched or lightly worked leads sitting in the CRM from past campaigns. Instead of handing this pile to reps for another one-off blitz, leaders are assigning autonomous sales and GTM agents to run continuous personalized outreach automation against this backlog. Annual planning and budget resets are making this approach attractive because it drives incremental meetings booked and pipeline from existing data without increasing headcount or expanding the core tech stack. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, backlog leads turn into a steady stream of meetings booked instead of a neglected CRM segment. Second, reps spend more time in live conversations while agents handle first touches and routine follow-ups. Third, pipeline coverage ratio improves as more accounts receive consistent outreach and structured follow-ups. Fourth, forecast variance drops as lead treatment becomes standardized and conversion rates stabilize across segments. How it works in practice. This typically starts when a VP of sales pulls a report of leads with no recent activity and sees a large pool with low or zero task volume. RevOps exports segments by campaign, persona, and last touch, then configures autonomous sales and GTM agents to ingest CRM fields, engagement history, and basic firmographics. The manual process breaks because reps cherry pick a few leads, run one generic email, and move on, which leaves most of the queue untouched and skews conversion data. With agents in place, most lead in the segment receives AI-personalized outreach engagement, scheduled follow-ups, and clear handoffs to reps once interest is shown, which lifts conversion rates, shortens cycle time on reactivated leads, and improves CRM hygiene. One practical adjustment. This week, pick one stale lead segment in your CRM and assign an autonomous GTM agent to run personalized first touches and one follow-up, with a rule that any reply or key intent signal triggers an immediate rep handoff. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, identify 3 high-volume stale lead cohorts by source, age, and persona in your CRM. Second, define agent rules for outreach cadence, follow-ups, qualification criteria, and rep handoffs. Third, instrument basic metrics for this lane, including meetings booked, conversion rates, and cycle time from touch to response. Fourth, review results weekly and gradually expand agent coverage to additional segments as reliability and performance prove out. Read more at dasana.ai.